Do you know that there are 1.5 billion cars in the world, and one of the most loved among them is BMW? But have you ever thought about how BMW rose to the top among these 1.5 billion cars? Who is its owner? Why was the name BMW chosen for this car, and who brought it to prominence? How did it enter the market, and what role did it play in World War II? Why did BMW face a dark time for supporting a very prominent and famous general during World War II? Was it due to greed or the consequences of war? We will discuss many intriguing questions like these. So, let's start. BMW was established in early 1916 by Franz Josef Popp, Karl Rapp, and Camillo Castiglioni in Munich, Germany. BMW stands for Bayerische Motorenwerke, which translates to Bavarian Motor Works in English. The name reflects the company's roots in Bavaria, renowned for its engineering prowess and industrial heritage. Franz Josef Popp, often hailed as the Kingmaker, played a pivotal role in BMW's early years. He envisioned a company dedicated to engineering excellence and innovation. Popp aimed to develop high-quality engines and vehicles that would redefine performance and reliability standards. This commitment to excellence has guided BMW through decades of growth and evolution, establishing it as a leader in the luxury and performance automotive segments worldwide. During World War I, BMW emerged as a critical supplier of aircraft engines for the German military. Their engines, including the BMW 3, powered numerous German aircraft, contributing significantly to Germany's aerial capabilities. By the war's end, BMW had produced over 700 aircraft engines. However, post-war restrictions under the Treaty of Versailles temporarily curtailed their production. In World War II, BMW played a pivotal role again, manufacturing engines for the German Luftwaffe. The BMW 801 engine, notably used in aircraft like the Focke-Wulf FW-190, became a cornerstone of German air power. BMW produced approximately 30,000 BMW 801 engines during the war, alongside thousands of motorcycles used by the Wehrmacht. These contributions underscored BMW's engineering prowess and its integral role in supporting Germany's war effort. BMW's connection to Nazi Germany included its use of forced laborers during the war, a dark chapter in its history. BMW's connection with Adolf Hitler and the Nazi regime is rooted in its activities during World War II and the broader economic and political environment of Nazi Germany. During this period, BMW played a significant role in Germany's war effort by manufacturing aircraft engines and motorcycles for the German military. The BMW 801 engine, known for its use in the Focke-Wulf FW-190 fighter aircraft, exemplifies BMW's contribution to Germany's military-industrial complex under Nazi rule. BMW utilized forced laborers from occupied territories to support its wartime production. This practice was part of the systematic exploitation of labor under the Nazi regime's policies. Following Germany's defeat in World War II, BMW faced significant challenges as Allied forces dismantled and restructured its production facilities. In the early 1950s, BMW faced financial difficulties that nearly led to bankruptcy. The company's motorcycle division sustained it through these tough times, but BMW's automotive division struggled to compete with larger manufacturers in the post-war economic climate. The brink of bankruptcy forced BMW to rethink its strategies and focus on innovation and efficiency to survive. During the 1960s, BMW faced another crisis that ultimately reshaped its future. The company was on the verge of being acquired by rival Daimler-Benz due to financial instability and management challenges. However, a group of shareholders led by Herbert Quandt intervened and provided the necessary capital to keep BMW independent. This period led to significant restructuring, cost-cutting measures, and a renewed focus on the new class series, which proved pivotal in BMW's recovery and resurgence. While BMW has experienced its share of challenges and dark times throughout its history, these periods have often spurred innovation, resilience, and strategic adaptation. Each crisis has compelled BMW to rethink its approach, strengthen its product lineup, and reinforce its commitment to quality and performance. As a result, BMW has consistently emerged from adversity stronger and more adaptable, maintaining its position as a leader in the luxury automotive market. BMW has established itself as a global powerhouse, renowned for luxury, performance, and cutting-edge innovation in the automotive industry. Their revolutionary New Class series transformed the automotive landscape, setting the stage for iconic models like the BMW 3 series, which has sold over 15 million units worldwide since its introduction in 1975. This was followed by the BMW 5 series in 1972 and the BMW 7 series in 1977, solidifying BMW's presence in the executive sedan market. Throughout its storied history, BMW has consistently pushed boundaries. From launching the BMW R80 GS, which defined the adventure touring motorcycle segment in the 1980s, to pioneering sustainable mobility with vehicles like the BMW i3 and i8, BMW continues to lead the charge in innovation. The BMW i3 alone has sold over 200,000 units globally, demonstrating BMW's commitment to environmental sustainability. In recent years, BMW has expanded its lineup to include a diverse range of vehicles. The latest models include the BMW 1 Series, BMW 2 Series, BMW 3 Series, BMW 4 Series, BMW 5 Series, BMW 6 Series, BMW 7 Series, BMW 8 Series, and the BMW X series of SUVs. The BMW iX, a fully electric SUV, represents BMW's latest innovation in sustainable mobility, featuring advanced technologies and luxurious comfort. BMW's journey from its inception amidst World War I to its pivotal role in World War II reflects a complex history of challenges and triumphs. Despite navigating through wartime production and post-war adversities, BMW's commitment to engineering excellence and innovation has remained steadfast. From near bankruptcy in the 1950s to pioneering the New Class series and leading in sustainable mobility today, BMW's story is one of resilience and transformation. It stands as a global symbol of overcoming adversity, continuously pushing boundaries in luxury and performance automotive engineering.